Hey guys, and welcome to our Volkswagen LT35 Luton van. 2.8 litre turbo diesel, 3.5 tonne. At the back we've got the gas boiler that powers the hot water in the shower and the hot water in the kitchen, and we have a gas bottle locker in the rear and a custom made step to get into the back. So we've got here a Dutch style door, and then we've got this newly fitted roller shutter, so everything can be hidden away. And then to finish it all off, we give it a nice coat of grey satin paint, and up top we've got a 200 watt solar panel to power the leisure battery and all the appliances, so it can be fully off grid.
So we are inside this beautiful Luton van, and the first thing that stands out is the kitchen, and that copper sink looks incredible.
Yeah, that was an eBay find. One of the best features of the van, I reckon. Yeah, it's all handmade, hammered and polished.
It's one of them things on eBay where you'll only get one of them.
Yeah, you never find another one. I've looked and I can't find another, so yeah.
What about the copper tap as well? Did you make that yourself to go with it?
I did, yes. Hot and cold water. It just in keeps with the sink. It's perfect.
One of the things I really like about this kitchen is there's plenty of storage.
Yeah, we needed a good amount of storage. Not too much, so we take everything with us, but enough for food, plates, just the right amount, really.
And what about like fridge, freezer? Have you got a fridge?
Yeah, there's a little 12 volt compressor Dometic fridge that runs off the leisure battery and solar panel. It's got a mini freezer, works perfect. It's super low power, so it can run for days.
And the thing is, this kitchen's like super light and airy, and was that a kind of choice to put the window right in the kitchen?
Yeah, well, we built the kitchen first, and then, because plans always change when building, so we built the kitchen and then we put the window in. So we put it in the perfect position for either cooking for ventilation or washing up with a nice view.
And I love all the spice racks. The spice racks look so nice. Is that like birch with copper tubing?
Yeah, it's again birch ply, same as the worktop, with copper pipe running through. We do a lot of cooking, so spices were a must, and storage, easy access.
And below that you've got a really cool vintage cooker. We nearly got one of them cookers and they just look incredible. It goes so well with that kind of wooden rustic theme.
Yeah, it's one of the best cookers we've ever used. It's original 70s cooker, unrestored, works perfect.
And that just runs off?
That just runs off gas. Yeah.
Is that another eBay find?
That is an eBay find, yeah. A lot of my stuff are eBay finds.
Okay, so this is the bit that I'm excited about. This is the bathroom opposite the kitchen, and it looks massive.
Yeah, it is a huge bathroom. It's bigger than most house bathrooms. It's a full wet room, so the walls, the floor, toilet, it can all get wet.
And I love how like bright and airy it is. It makes it feel even bigger than it actually is.
Yeah, well, that's thanks to the white cladding. I used it on the ceiling, the walls, and then, yeah, just to make it feel like a real bathroom.
And what about the tiles? They look beautiful, like blue and white goes really nice, and the pattern just gives it a really nice kind of look in there.
Yeah, well, I've got these tiles at the house, so I thought, why not use them in the van? So the floor and the toilet surround, it's all waterproofed. Yeah.
And that shower head must have took a little while to make. Like, it looks incredible with the holes in the copper pipes.
Yeah.
Really clever idea.
Yeah, it's all, again, I made it all myself. Went a bit mad with the copper pipe, but I love it. You can't have too much copper pipe.
So in terms of water to have a shower, how big's the water tank, and is that underslung under the van?
Yeah, the water tank is an 85 litre. It's underneath the van, and there's a Sureflow water pump and accumulator. It runs through the underneath into the boiler, the gas boiler, and it powers the shower, and then it powers the hot water and the cold water for the sink in the kitchen. It's all adjustable temperature on the boiler. You can make it hotter or colder. It works just like a house boiler.
So one of the things that every van needs is a wood burner.
Yeah, I agree. It's a perfect size. It's small enough to sit in a corner. Nice. It's nice for the seating area. So on a cold day. Yeah, it's got heats around and a little log storage area underneath. So it keeps everything nice and tidy in a way.
And one of the things I've noticed while we're in here is it's super warm.
Oh yeah, it's very warm in here. Well insulated. Yeah, no need for a log burner today.
So this seating area is absolutely massive. Like, what was your thinking behind this?
Comfort. Feet up, log burner on, looking out the window with the TV on. Yeah,
it's nicer than most houses, to be honest.
it is. It's bigger than most houses.
And what you're sitting on there can actually double up as a single bed?
This can be a single bed. It's 6 foot long, so it's perfect for a single person.
And one of the things I like is the flip up table.
Yeah, this is, again, it's made out of birch ply, same as the worktop and most of the shelving. So yeah, it's ideal.
And you've got views out of the window. It's really good placement again for the window.
Yeah, this is the best seat. So you've got a table in front of you, a log burner, and a nice view out the window. What more could you want?
And let's talk about that behind you, because that walk through there into the cab is one of the best I've ever seen.
Yeah, well, we wanted a nice walk through so we can have a quick getaway or an easy access.
I guess if it's really pouring down with rain, it just makes it a lot nicer.
Yeah, so we don't have to go outside, get wet. And also it doubles up as storage because the bed's a full size double bed, 4'6". So we had to bring out the frame, so it worked perfectly.
So when you're living in a van, it's really important to get a good night's sleep, and it looks like you've done a fab job with the bedroom area.
Yeah, well, like I said, the bed's the most important bit. So we had to bring out the frame to fit a double size mattress. Yeah, it's a memory foam mattress, so it's super comfy. We've got views, we've got a TV.
I really like them curtains that you've got, the drop down curtains.
Yeah.
Are they handmade?
Yeah, they're handmade, Heather made all them. So you just unclip them, roll down, and roll back up. All the windows are openers, so got plenty of ventilation.
And you've got all the mod cons. You've even got a TV in a very good position for watching Netflix in bed or watch a movie. Yeah, it's a swivel TV, so we can have it in the bedroom or in the living area. DVD player, with a bookshelf full of DVDs. Yeah, it's perfect. It's super comfy.
Head over to theindyproducts.com/shop and check out our new merchandise. Join us on Patreon for exclusive content, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.